عن أبي هريرة رضي الله تعالى عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: ينزل ربنا تبارك وتعالى في كل ليلة إلى السماء الدنيا حين يبقى ثلث الليل الآخر فيقول: من يدعوني فأستجب له، من يسألني فأعطيه، من يستغفرني فأغفر له. رواه البخاري والمسلم. Every night, in the last part of the night, Allah comes down to the last sky and says, who is praying to me, I will answer them. Who is asking to me, I will give them. Who is asking forgiveness to me, I will forgive them. So, this month, Shahrul Ramadan, is very big opportunity for praying to Allah, for asking to Allah, for asking forgiveness to Allah. May Allah grant for everyone ability and tawfiq. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi